What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Top 5 Tray, a place where we skip the fluff and give you the real breakdowns on tech that actually delivers. And today, you're gonna want to stick around. We've got something truly next level when it comes to home entertainment. If you've been waiting to level up your living room, buckle in, because this isn't just a TV, it's a cinematic powerhouse. We're talking about the LG G5 OLED, a stunning 65-inch 4K smart TV loaded with LG's latest OLED Evo panel, Dolby Atmos, AI-powered upscaling, and all the tools to turn your space into a premium theater. Whether you're watching blockbuster movies, streaming your favorite series, gaming, or just vibing with some ambient YouTube, this thing doesn't just play content, it elevates it. Remember, the product featured in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out, and hit that like button if you're into crystal clear breakdowns. Subscribe for no-nonsense tech reviews, and let's get into why the LG G5 OLED might just be the best looking screen you've ever seen. Let's kick things off with design, because LG is flexing hard with the G5. This TV is made to be the star of the room. Ultra slim profile, sleek bezel, and a look that blends effortlessly into your wall. Whether you're wall mounting in a modern living room or placing it front and center in a media space, the G5 doesn't just show content, it elevates the space around it. And yes, wall mount bracket is included. No extra cost, no extra hassle. Straight out the box, you're ready to go flush against the wall. Clean, minimal, premium. Now let's talk picture quality. And I'm not exaggerating when I say this. The LG G5 OLED Evo AI is in a different league. You're getting a 65-inch OLED Evo panel, and that means perfect black levels, insane contrast, and vivid, punchy colors that make everything from animated content to live-action blockbusters look unreal. Whether you're watching late night with the lights off or daytime with sunlight pouring in, this panel just hits. And here's where it gets wild. LG has packed in AI super upscaling 4K. That means even if your content isn't native 4K, the TV uses advanced AI algorithms to upscale it in real time. So older shows, 1080p streams, or even cable content, instantly sharper, instantly more detailed. It's basically giving your entire content library a facelift. Plus, it supports HDR10 and Dolby Vision, so you're getting true cinematic dynamic range, frame by frame. From dark shadows to bright highlights, the detail is mind-blowing. And for all my movie nerds, filmmaker mode is built in. One tap, and the G5 disables motion smoothing and preserves the director's original frame rate, color, and tone. Basically, you're seeing the movie exactly as it was intended. But what good is stunning video without the sound to match? LG knew that, so they packed in Dolby Atmos and Wow Orchestra. Atmos gives you that multi-dimensional sound, audio that moves around you, above you, and through the room. Whether it's a fighter jet screaming overhead or subtle environmental effects in a quiet thriller, it's cinematic. Now add in LG's Wow Orchestra feature, which syncs your LG soundbar with the TV speakers for one cohesive, room-filling soundstage. It's not just loud, it's immersive. And yes, you've got a built-in speaker system that's already solid out of the box. No soundbar? No problem. But if you do add one, prepare for goosebumps. This is 2025, so yeah, the LG G5 is smart. But this isn't just your average scroll and watch smart TV. You've got Google Assistant and Alexa built in, not supported, built in. That means no separate device, no extra mic. Just ask your TV to find content, adjust settings, control smart home devices, or check the weather. Super responsive, super intuitive. The AI Picture Pro and AI Sound Pro engines also constantly optimize your experience based on what you're watching and the room conditions. It's like having a director and sound engineer in your living room, tuning everything in real time. Gamers, yeah, LG didn't forget you. You're getting a 120Hz refresh rate, NVIDIA G-Sync and FreeSync support. Translation, ultra smooth gameplay. No tearing, no stutter, just buttery frames whether you're on console or PC. And because this is OLED with near instant response time, you're getting true 1 ms performance that competitive players crave. Plug in your PlayStation, Xbox, or gaming rig, this TV is ready. It's got the low input lag, variable refresh rate, and responsiveness to handle high frame rate action games with ease. In terms of ports and connectivity, LG came correct. You've got HDMI, USB, Bluetooth, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi. All the essentials for home theater setups, consoles, streaming sticks, hard drives. Whatever your setup is, the G5 fits in perfectly. You're also getting a magic remote, wall bracket, and full support for Apple AirPlay, HomeKit, and more. The ecosystem support is deep. And let's not forget, the aspect ratio is 16:9, exactly what you want for full-screen movies, TV, and most games. No black bars, no weird cropping, just big, beautiful content. Bottom line, the LG G5 OLED isn't just a TV, it's the centerpiece of your home entertainment setup. Whether you're watching movies, binging Netflix, gaming at high frame rates, or showing off 4K drone footage to friends, this thing brings everything to life. It's sharp, it's smart, it sounds incredible, and it looks like it belongs in a gallery. So tell me in the comments, are you grabbing the G5 for movies, gaming, sports, or just flexing on your friends? Smash that like button if this breakdown helped you out. Subscribe to Top 5 Tray for more no BS tech rundowns, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay sharp, stay upgraded, and peace out.